Yeah. Cause I'm too messy, and then I'm too fucking clean. You told me get a job and you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect till I open my big mouth. I want to be me. Tell me, is that not allowed? I'm too clever, and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry unless it's that time of the month. And I'm too perfect till I show you that I'm not 1,000 people I could be for you, but you hate the fucking light. You do. You hate the fucking light. You do. You hate the fucking lie, lie, lie.